What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release June 15th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at some more upcoming Nike and Jordan releases. Here we have the Nike Airship Women Exclusive Opium Paris collab. They release June 1st. They go up to a size 15 in men, which is a 16.5 in women. Next up, we got the Nike Kobe 4 Protro Girl Dad releasing on June 7th. And last but not least, we got the Air Jordan Retro 13 Doom Red releasing on June 25th. Now, each of these releases, plus the one that we're about to review, is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. Also have full reviews live on the channel if you want to check those out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Starting off with the box, standard Air Jordan Retro 1 OG box, but instead of having a classic black and red box, we have a box dressed in basically a sky with clouds and a navy blue Nike branding. Taking a look at the label, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Summit White and Obsidian. Size 11 we're going to be taking a look at. Go ahead and flip the paper back. Now let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Denim. Now these do come with one added accessory. As you can see here, we have the extra pair of laces dressed in the Obsidian navy blue colorway. Now with the accessory out of the way, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the shoe. Now this is not the first time that Nike dressed a Air Jordan Retro 1 in a denim material. We did have the women exclusive release a couple of years ago. Now they've returned with more denim material coming in a men colorway. And another note about this release is they made it kind of like a limited quick strike release where these will be releasing in a 4 through 15. So a size 4 will not be a boy size shoe. It will actually be a men's size 4 all the way up to a men's size 15. Now that we got the accessories and the technical things out of the way, let's take a deeper dive into the shoe. Starting off with that top down view, got the navy blue sock liner, navy blue insole, white Nike Air branding sitting on the top. Got the white tongue, white tab, blue Nike Air branding. They come from the factory dressed in white laces. Now giving these a little bit of contrast, as you can see from the toe and also on the mid panel, they do have kind of like the bleached denim inside of the blue jean toe box. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, as stated, the bleached denim is inside of the mid panel. Then we have the dark wash blue jean sitting on the swoosh and around the ankle collar with the embossed Air Jordan 1 wing logo dressed on the heel. Now taking a look at the midsole, it does come with the light sail Summit White midsole. It has like little speckles of paint inside of the midsole as well. Might be kind of hard to see on camera, but it is visible in hand. Going down to the outsole of the shoe, we have the dark gum bottom, and also those speckles that is on the midsole is present throughout the whole bottom of the shoe. Taking a look at the heel, standard Air Jordan Retro 1 heel, no logos or anything, no extra branding. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, mixtures of bleached denim and dark denim going throughout the whole upper. Taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Denim. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick them up early, head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.